Are you looking forward to fix Thread app black screen? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, tap and hold this assistive touch and then click on restart. Sometimes restarting the device might also fix the issue. If not, move into your application Thread and then close the app. Once closed, reopen it. It will refresh the application. Now move into Safari and search for Thread outage. Head over to the very first site. In this page, you can check whether the server of Thread app is down or not. If the server is down, then all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device. Inside the settings, you need to head over to General and then move into iPhone storage. Here in this page, you need to search for the application Thread. Once found, click on it. Now tap on Offload app and once again click on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.